Hello and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, my name is Mary and welcome to another Craft Day Wednesday, where every Wednesday I post a new video. Now in today's video, seems how Halloween is almost here, it's just around the corner. I decided to do another timeout doll or hide and seek doll, but we're gonna make her scary. So we're gonna do a Halloween version of this Halloween doll, or this timeout doll, and her face is not going to be hidden. It's actually going to be a skull. We'll be using this skull that I got from Dollar Tree. I'll be using these little hands, also Dollar Tree. They glow in the dark. I like this little hat, so we're going to dress her up kind of, sort of, a little bit. So yeah, this is going to go on her head. And then we're going to go ahead and I got these little chains. So I'm going to set all of this to the side. Okay, now y'all already seen how the process of me making the dolls go. So I have her already stuffed, and y'all remember how I stuffed them. And yeah, so I'm going to go ahead now. And I'm just going to turn my camera down so y'all can see what I'm doing. And I'm going to have to add a little more stuff in her leg. So I'm going to go ahead, turn the camera down. Okay. I hope y'all can see what I'm doing. I'm going to go ahead and grab some stuff. And I'm going to go ahead and we're just going to stuff her leg just a little bit, just so she can stand a little bit better, because she's going to be facing, instead of having her head hid like the rest of my dolls, we're going to actually have her facing. And she's just going to be for Halloween. Yeah. There's going to be a lot going on for Halloween, and I thought it would be fun to do one of these little dolls. So I'm going to go ahead and grab a little more fluff, and we're just going to go ahead and stick it in, just like this. Alright. Now, I'm going to go ahead, and I'm going to turn her this way, and I'm going to put her jacket on her. That's one thing that I want to do. So we're just going to go ahead and get her dressed. And and seeing how I don't have very much space to work in, when I get her done, I'm going to step back a little bit so y'all can see what it actually looks like. So like I mentioned before, y'all have already seen me get these dolls stuffed and dressed. So I didn't want to do that on camera because I already knew that y'all had seen that part. But we're just going to turn these cute little dolls into something creepy, since Halloween is just around the corner. So what I did, I'm going to turn this up a little. So I took this head because it didn't fit as tightly as I wanted it. So I stuck a little styrofoam ball through it. And now I'm just going to go ahead and stick her back up here. And I'm going to put some hot glue on the bottom. And we're just going to go ahead, and I want to make sure I got this turned the right way. And we're just going to go ahead and stick this in here, just like this. And now I'm going to grab a glue stick, and we're just going to go ahead and take this part, and we're just going to hot glue this around on the ball, just to give it a little more extra support, because we want to make sure that it's not going to move around. And please be very careful if you're going to be working with hot glue. I'm not sure how well y'all can see this. Let me see. Let me turn it down a little bit. But yeah, I burnt my hand pretty bad with this hot glue. Yeah, so lesson learned. Did it stop me? No, I picked up that glue gun as soon as I stopped hurting and started back crafting again. Can't keep a good crafter down. I'm just going to hold this a little bit in place. And now I'm just going to go ahead and we're just going to go and tuck. I'm going to hold this up this way, and we're just going to go ahead and tuck this down off in here just like this. So I'm just tucking. And now we're just going to zip this up a little bit like this. This is what we have so far. I'm going to go ahead and put her, I'm going to put the hook, actually, before I do that, I'm going to turn her back over, and we're just going to go ahead and we're just going to stick her arms in place. I'm going to turn it down, and here we have our little hands. And they're a little big, but we're just going to cover most of this up. So I'm just going to go ahead and pull some of the fluff out, and I'm just going to stick this up in here to see how I want it to look. And I'm just going to separate some of the fluff in here. And then we're just going to stick this hand. Alright, I gotta be able to see what I'm doing. Alright, so we're going to stick it in here again. Like this. Stick this up. And I'm just going to go ahead and pull some fluff down around it. And I'm going to go ahead and stick some hot glue right here so I can put the shirt down right on top of it. Or you could just put the hot glue right on the shirt. And that's what we're going to do. And I'm going to turn this back, and I'm going to do the same thing to this side. And then I'm going to do the same thing to the other hand. I'm just going to open this up. I'm going to pull out a little bit of the fluff. And I'm going to go ahead and stick this hand in just like this. And we're going to do this the same way. I'm just going to go ahead and take some hot glue and put it right across here. And we're just going to stick this down. And I'm going to do the same thing to the back. So we're just going to put some hot glue, and we're just going to stick that on here just like this. And here she is. Here's her head. Here's her arms. And I'm going to go ahead now, and I'm going to grab this little hat that I picked out, this little witch costume hat. I think it goes on dogs, I think, but we're not going to use it for that. We're going to put it on her head. So I'm going to turn my camera back down, and I'm just going to stick this here. I'm going to move this out just like that, and I'm just going to stick this like this, and I'm going to go ahead and put some hot glue right on the center so it won't come off. And we're just going to stick this on, and I'm just going to hold it just for a little bit. Now I'm going to put a little bit of hot glue on the sides, and we're just going to stick that into place just like that. Be careful with your fingers, because I just got mine again. but it's fine. And I'm going to do this side over here. And I'm just going to put the hot glue right directly on the face. And then I'm just going to put a little bit of pressure behind it. And we're just going to hold it here. Now, we're just going to go ahead and I'm going to put a little bit of hot glue right across here. And we're just going to stick it down, just like this. Okay, and I'm sorry about that, y'all. I had to take a break for a minute and take care of my dog. She was having one of those sneezing backwards things where it sounds like she was losing her breath. And I'm going to go ahead. We're going to take some more hot glue, and we're just going to put it around the edge of the hat, of her shirt, and we're just going to stick it down just like this. And we're going to do the same thing to the other side. So we're just going to grab some hot glue. And I'm just going to put a little bit here, right on her. I'm going to grab another glue stick. And we're just going to put a little bit right directly on here. And we're just going to go ahead and we're just going to stick this into place. Back a little. Just like that. And I'm going to pull this up. There we go. That looks a lot better. And we just finished our creepy Halloween doll. I'm going to turn the camera up and I'm going to hold her back. And this is what she looks like, y'all. This is what she looks like, all done. And I think she came out cute. I will be taking her to any event with me. And this is what her outfit looks like. And this is what she looks like once she's all done. And one more thing that I want to do before I completely finish this. I'll go ahead and turn my camera back down. I have these little chains. And I thought it would be cute if I lock, they interlock. So I was going to, see, hook it. Let's see, how does this go? Right here. So I'm going to take one. Actually, I think we'll go with this one. I thought about maybe taking it like this and putting it over her. You know, so it'd be like this since she is for Halloween. I'm not sure exactly how I want to do it. If y'all have any suggestions, let me know. I'm not going to attach it, but if y'all can let me know in the comment box. Let me turn this up. If y'all can let me know in the comment box how y'all would add the chains to her to give her more of a scary effect, please let me know. And, yeah. I'm going to set her down. And I'm going to go ahead and turn my camera back up. Okay, so yeah, that was it for this video. I decided to just, you know, do something a little more. Is the lighting okay? To do something a little more different. And I thought that making this little Halloween doll would be pretty cute. I mean, if you decorate for Halloween, this doll would be cute to have at your next Halloween party. So yeah, with that being said, I want to take the time out to thank you all so much for taking the time out to watch my videos. If y'all would like to see me do any other type of video, please let me know in the comment box below what the next video y'all want to see, or what y'all want to see me try to make, or if y'all have any ideas, please let me know in the comment box below. And like always, thank you so much for taking the time out to watch this video, and I hope y'all all have a good night. Bye.